I think a lot of teams already know what they want to learn from their users. That isn't really the hard part anymore. I feel like what's slowing research down today is everything that happens between knowing what you want to learn, all those questions you want to ask, and then actually getting a solid study live. And I have personally seen this from, both sides of the coin, right? On one side, you have designers, you have product marketers, and they just open up a study and it's blank and they're not really sure where to go or where to start. And then on the flip side, you have researchers. They are the ones, reviewing the different setups. They're rewriting questions. They're fixing bias. They're checking methodology. And the cycle just goes on and on and on again. The small things are really what matter. How you phrase a follow-up question, whether a task feels leading, whether the flow actually feels right for the research that you're doing. That is usually where the quality starts to get lost. What I like about AI Study Builder is that it helps these non-researchers get past those setup challenges. It's still grounding all of their studies in research best practices from the very beginning. It's not replacing a researcher's judgment. It's helping teams begin with better structure. It's helping them have better methodology, and then hopefully giving them more confidence, along the way. The goal isn't just about running more research. It's making better decisions more often with real user understanding behind them.